Party Method. Matthew W. Rhodes. Party Method. Party Method, secret system for throwing a party that actually pays you over and over again in any niche. This is proven, and no product creation or affiliates are needed. Party Method is our complete, brand new, step-by-step system showing live over-the-shoulder instructions for creating parties. They sell products, offers, or services like crazy in any niche. You don't even need a product of your own to do it. We've generated $25,000 plus in multiple non-IM niches by creating parties that sell products that aren't even ours. You never even need to touch inventory. Actual case studies with instructions and templates that we have personally used when using Party Method are fully included. They can be copied with the advanced version. Party Method upgrade offers. Party Method contains step-by-step videos revealing exactly how to run your own parties to earn a profit using simple upsells and premium offers. Your customers will discover how to run parties that get people excited and talking about you. Also, how to create offers that work in any market, how to give away products that earn a profit when you give it away for free, and much more. It is backed by insane research, proof and real-world field tests from several of our own parties. Tons of bonuses are included that help guide your customers through the entire process and do it ultra-fast, in as little as 1 minute. From A to Z. Upsell number 1, Party Method Advanced. Inside Party Method Advanced, your customers will get our complete marketing packages to copy the exact same proven system in your own niche funnels. Advanced students also get access to complete case studies of our real party funnels and additional bonuses that enable them to cash in with Party Method as fast as possible. Upsell number 2, List Warrior Advanced. Inside List Warrior Advanced, your customers will get several done-for-you style packages that do nearly all of the work for them. These package allows your customers to start getting new customers onto their email list at absolutely zero additional cost. Advanced students also get access to additional bonuses that enable them to get other people to do all the work necessary to grow their email list for them without lifting a finger. This bonus also includes additional resources to help your customers get instant distribution and tap into even more case studies, plus tools to help them quickly get more email subscribers, plus traffic to any sales page, website, or offer that they want to target. Matthew W. Rhodes. Party Method.